Welcome to this video on principles of teaching physical science. Let's explore how science can be made meaningful, engaging, and real for every learner. Physical science includes the study of non-living things, mainly physics and chemistry. It helps learners understand the laws that govern the natural world. The first principle is learning by doing. Students understand better when they experiment, observe, and discover scientific truths themselves. Begin with concrete, hands-on experiences and gradually move to abstract concepts. This builds a strong conceptual foundation. Teaching should progress from simple ideas to complex ones. This ensures clarity and prevents confusion. Relate new scientific concepts to students' daily experiences. Moving from what is known to what is unknown makes learning relatable and enjoyable. Use both inductive and deductive reasoning. Induction helps discover laws, deduction helps apply them. Physical science is linked with mathematics, geography, and even life sciences. Correlating subjects enhances understanding and integration. Audio-visual aids make learning interactive. Visuals, models, and simulations turn abstract ideas into real experiences. Every learner is unique. Teachers should adjust pace and methods according to each student's ability and interest. Curiosity drives science. Encourage students to ask questions and seek their own answers through exploration. Follow the scientific method. It develops critical thinking, reasoning, and a spirit of inquiry among learners. Observation is the heart of science. Encourage students to notice patterns, changes, and outcomes carefully. The teacher's role is that of a guide and facilitator, creating an environment where students learn actively and joyfully. To teach physical science effectively, remember, learning must be active, connected, and joyful. When students do, see, and think, science truly comes alive.